Friends, welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is AI Masterclass series, AI tutorials for absolute beginners. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you the clear your concept on what is RAG. This is part 8 of the series. Make sure that you watch all the episodes in this series in order to master AI concepts. Let's get started. But before I start, let me give you something like this. Why do you want to rely on AI's memory when you can give it a library? Think of it this way that you can connect a RAG is an architecture through which you can connect your LLMs to your own private real time data. We'll also explore how RAG is maximizing the business ROI through automation. Let's get started. So, RAG in short stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. In simple, before you answer, think of it this way. AI looks up relevant information, then generates a response using that response. Think of it like AI plus notes is equal to better answer. That means your AI already has a library of information of data. On top of it, you provide your own private real-time data to this particular AI model. What you get is a better answer, not the predefined or old answer which is already there in the model. That's called the retrieval augmented generation. Now, let me explain you both the words separately, retrieval and augmentation. So retrieval means the search and find, which is basically looking through a massive library of documents to find the specific facts needed for your question. Think of it like a librarian sprinting to a shelf, grabbing the exact book you need, and bringing it back to your desk. Simple as that. It ensures that AI doesn't have to guess from memory. It uses a real source of truth. Okay, so retrieval, we are clear that it stands for search and find. Now comes the important part, which is augmentation or augmented. It's the knowledge boost. Think of it that way. Adding those freshly found facts into the AI brain right before it starts typing its answer. That means it's like giving a chef a new recipe card mid meal. They were already a good cook, but now they know exactly instructions for a dish they have never made before. That means the data will be looked at your data, the new one, not the old one. That's called augmentation. And why does it matter? It matters because it upgrades the AI standard response with a specialized, up to date, or private information it didn't know previously. That's the most important catch here. Using augmentation, we give AI the data which is private, which is real time, which is up to date, and that's how it will patch with the one that is it retrieved. Now, coming back to our intern analogy, without notes, think of it like your intern will answer from memory. The intern may also guess the answer. Intern may also be outdated because he doesn't have the real time data or the up to date data. But now you are providing your notes, your private data, your real time data. So it looks at company documentation, reads the latest data, then answers correctly. That means once you have RAG in place, it means giving your intern access to fresh documents before speaking. Now, from a developer point of view, how do you think of it? Without RAG, you ask a question, it goes to a AI model, and you get the answer. And this answer is historic. That means it's based on the training. With RAG, you can question, once you send a question, it will search for relevant documents which is from your private data or the real-time data. And then it will send that data to AI model and you get a better answer or the response. So now, once you have the new set of data feeded, your AI doesn't rely only on past training. It uses private data or real-time data. Now, where can you use RAGs? RAGs are everywhere today. It's in your internal chatbots, it's in knowledge base assistants, support bots, much more. Every time you are communicating with a bot, either in voice or in chat, they are RAG models basically. So, closing notes in simple terms, think of it like RAG is an open book exam. You have the book for the AI model to go read it and come back with the exact real time answer. Normal AI is closed book exam. It only has the old data. RAG AI is like an open book exam, which means the AI model can refer to it, get the exact data before answering. So it can stop guessing and give you exact answer. I hope the concept of RAG is clear to you. Follow the entire series of this AI Masterclass series in order to learn all the concepts with me in simplified way. Thank you so much for joining. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in next episode. Thank you.